Principles of sports nutrition. Testosterone is the principal and most potent androgen known. In males, it's produced primarily by specialized cells within the testes called Leydig cells. Women also produce testosterone. In females, testosterone is manufactured by the ovaries, adrenals, skin, muscles, body fat, and brain. Testosterone is certainly the hormone of controversy. It's the one or analogs of it that many, many athletes have taken. It has numerous benefits. I think the key with testosterone is understanding its potency and downside. The differences in the amount of testosterone produced in the male versus female body should make it clear why males respond so much better to weight training and why their muscles get bigger and stronger faster. The plasma testosterone in conventional units in males ranges from 300 to 1,000 nanograms per deciliter. In females, it's only 20 to 75 nanograms per deciliter. So that is a really significant difference, and that explains in part why females, when they weight train, don't normally respond the same way that males do. And that should help females arrest their fears about becoming too male-like in terms of their natural response to resistance training for health. Testosterone tends to decline in aging males and females. And of course, there's a relationship between testosterone and the stress hormone cortisol. Cortisol inhibits the synthesis of testosterone by blunting the release of gonadotropin-releasing hormone in the brain. And this is why athletes try and counter cortisol release and then do everything they can to maximize testosterone efficiency. You can counter cortisol by consuming carbohydrates during and immediately after exercise, and certainly there are some supplements that you can take to minimize the damaging effect or the muscle degrading effects of prolonged excess cortisol release. Of course, cortisol is released during the action of the stress of exercise as well as testosterone. These two hormones invariably counter each other. The downside of stress without reinforcing that with resistance training is that you have no anabolic flux created. So testosterone takes a nosedive. A man starts to lose his ambition, his drive, and his vitality because he has prolonged levels of cortisol. Usually his melatonin levels are very low, his DHEA levels are very low, his diet isn't very good, there might be some smoking and drinking. So once you see this pattern, you can start to recognize why resistance training can be used therapeutically to elevate testosterone, and then you have to get into rest and relaxation therapy in order to modify the wasting effects of cortisol.